Christopher.
Hi.
Christopher, introduce yourself to our viewers.
So hi, my name is Christopher Alexei Cruz. You may call me Alex, and I'm representing the city of Manila.
Ayan, taga Manila.
Yeah.
Ba't hindi ka naglakbayaw? Sa Manila rin ito.
I grew up in Manila eh. So parang for me, parang city 2%. So of course, kung saan ako pinanganak at lumaki.
But anyway, sorry ha. Sorry
Okay
to,
lang.
napatawa naman kita pero mas masaya rin dapat ikaw dahil congratulations,
Yeah.
Mr. World Philippines official candidate ka. How
Yeah,
does it
thank you.
feel?
Very fulfilling. I mean, this is just the first step. Very thankful for the judges, of course, the media, for the support, and of course, this is the first step pa lang. So very nakakaba for the coming weeks or up until the coronation.
I can't help but to notice how tall you are. How tall are you?
I'm 6'1".
Ay, Diyos ko po. Pwede kong kawan-on-one ko sa
Wala,
basket.
why na, why na?
Tara, may bola ako. Going back to you, kanina, ang tagal mo in-interview namin mga meetings.
Yeah, actually. Hi.
Ano nararamdaman mo na you got this much attention here at the final screening?
Actually, hindi ko siya expect to have that much attention sa media. Of course, parang as a first time, parang I never expect that there will be a lot of attention. So, ayun, nakakaba yung mga questions, lalo na sa mga judges sa mga media.
I heard you are a data engineer at a known bank here in the Philippines.
Yes, I am.
Ayun, anong course mo nung college?
At college, I took Bachelor of Science in Information
Oh my
Technology.
God.
Yeah.
BSIT rin
BSIT
ako.
ka rin. BSIT tayo.
Here,
Here.
sa BSIT. Pero UP naman ako, Manila,
Okay.
Santa Mesa.
Okay.
So, Manileño rin. I'm so happy to meet my fellow, IT
techie people.
Tech people
Yeah.
here in pageantry. It's very rare.
Yeah.
Hindi lang ako ang IT na nagpa-pageant. But anyway, how does it feel na, you stand out because of your raw personality na simple lang. Alam mo yun, malakas dating pero hindi very celebrity yung arise. Ganun.
Yeah, actually, again, I never expected kasi sabi nga nila sa ang mischievous ko daw eh. Actually, mahihain lang talaga ako. So, ayun, sobrang na in-awe rin talaga ako talaga na I got that much attention. So, hopefully that you guys and everyone will continue to support me.
Ayun, oo naman. Nandito ko nag-interview. Pero naranasan mo rin ba yung ganyang attention even outside of pageantry or maybe corporate?
Not the similar, pero some attention but hindi yung parang ganito. So it's totally new for me.
Pero grabe, no? Well, ako ay halata naman sa kapangangatawan ko, IT ako, pero yung pangangatawan ko hindi pang IT. Kasi kaming mga programmer.
Yeah, salute sa mga programmer Sobrang wala akong masabi. Sobrang I mean, mga programmers talaga for me. Iba.
Ano programming language mo sa data engineering?
Sa data engineer kasi, mostly ang ginagamit namin is Python and SQL.
SQL. Oo nga.
Yun. So, mostly for, if you're familiar sa ETL,
Oo.
Yun.
Data definition language.
yeah, part din sa DDL, ETL. ETL. Yeah.
Extraction, transformation.
Yes. Yun.
NRL.
Load. Yeah. Yun. Mostly doon nag-revolve yung work namin. And of course, yung, in terms of giving data to the business.
Oo. Especially kapag marami kang ini-integrate na systems. Parang nag-web si Manuelite ng ibang
Yeah. Correct.
Alam mo yan, pagdaan naman. Naging technical. Pero ayun. So,
Technical interview pala.
technical interview pala.
Yeah.
Pero, yun nga, how would you compare yung technical interview versus yung interview mo sa pageantry kanina.
Yeah, actually, very different talaga siya kasi in terms of, sa technical kasi parang you have to have the knowledge,
Yeah.
experience. Dito kasi,
Naral talaga.
yeah, dito kasi parang sobrang broad ng magiging questions from life to work to, to economics to the government. Parang sobrang wide range ng pwedeng maitanong. So, yeah, nakakakaba talaga.
Oo, very, subjective.
Yeah.
Message mo na lang sa mga fans mo,
Sa mga
especially
pala.
online world.
Alright. Ayun, thank you for supporting me sa first step on my journey to become to Mr. World. So I hope you continue to be with me along the journey. And yeah, thank you.
And thank you so much, Christopher of Manila, and good luck
Thank
at
you.
Mr. World Philippines 2026 journey.
Thank you.